Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making lemon garlic chicken, coming right up. Let's go over the ingredients. 4 chicken breasts, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 lemons, half a cup of chicken stock, half a cup of heavy cream, 4 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and some fresh scallions. I have the fire set to medium-high heat. Let's begin with the butter. As the butter is melting, I am adding my chicken breast. We're going to sprinkle some salt and black pepper. Add the garlic. Squeeze 1 full lemon. Add the parsley flakes, red pepper flakes, paprika. Make sure you flip them so you get all the seasonings all over this chicken. Let's do more black pepper on this side. And a pinch of salt. Let's go ahead and add the chicken stock and the heavy cream. Now let it cook and simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This chicken is about done. Now we can sprinkle the Parmesan cheese. Smells so good. I cut the lemon into wedges. I'll finish it off with the scallion. And there you have it, guys. My lemon garlic chicken recipe. Enjoy. Let's cut into this guy and see what it looks like. It's perfect. Let's give it a try. This chicken came out really good. If you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.